got back from Japan. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm very tired, but like I bought stuff. Do you want to see what that was? Let's do that. I don't know what this is. So the first thing, probably my favorite thing from the whole thing.
We can already see it.
Yeah, you can see it. Got the Nirvana EP. I got super lucky. They took the price off, which is kind of annoying because it's going to show you the prices of everything. But I remember the price. It was $24. Best I could find online, this was like 100 plus. And this is in near mint condition. Honestly, I was looking at it for a while trying to decide if I needed it or not. And yes, I do, because it was... There's the backside if you care. But anyway, yeah, I got that at a record store, which was super cool. I don't think we have any footage of that, but like if we did, just imagine it. It's great. So we went to a Toys R Us. Wood got a Famicom. I got him. I normally don't buy stuffed animals anymore. Haven't. So this. There he is. He was $24. These guys, I remember I wanted them, but I didn't want to pay import prices, and I got these for $11. I love them, they're great. The only thing I bought from Disneyland was for my mom, which was this. It's a Pooh. Yeah, my mom used to call me Pooh when I was little because I was fat and I liked honey.
Oh, bother.
It's funny now. This one I got actually from the Pokemon Center. They're so much cheaper there. Like I know there's websites, and I've bought some from like import websites that'll like send you the stuff from the Pokemon Center. I want to say I paid like $8 a piece for the ones that I bought from there, and these are $2. Like I feel got. I didn't buy a ton from the Pokemon Center. I wanted this for a while just because his little face is so stupid. And then a sketchbook because I draw stuff sometimes when I remember. Me.
Oh yeah, it looks like you.
I wasn't gonna, and then I realized it was a girl Pikachu,
and
it has bangs, and I was like, I got this guy. We went to a lot of Mandarake places, and I bought a lot of small things. There's some. This is Ikakumon, I think I'm saying that right. He evolves from Gomamon, which was Joe's Digimon. It's been a while since I watched Digimon. I think that's right. I got these two. I've always really liked these guys. These are the fancy Morris figures. They do like a bunch of different colorways and stuff. I got that one, and then this one as well. I don't remember his name.
My name is Putha. Thanks.
So we got a couple of I think we got one of each of what you could get of the Halloween ones. We got the little Rowlet, he's super cool. But there's little Mimikyu in like a little Halloween suit. And then the only one that I really wanted, I got, which was this Pikachu, which he has like a little sheet.
That is good.
I love it so much.
Reminds me of the Pikachus I got you. The
yeah, that's where he's gonna go. He's gonna go. I got a couple of these as well. I just realized this today, but they're clips. This one is one of my favorites. I wish I'd gotten more of them. This one was only $2, and it's a ball jointed cat. Like it's amazing for $2. Like come on. I don't know why I bought this frog, but I liked him, so I bought him.
My name's Greg.
And then the last one, I got this at the Disney store in Shibuya, I think. And I got this, and it's like actual working pinball machines. And it was like all Toy Story characters, and I got Bo, which is cool because we just watched Toy Story 4 and I really liked her in the new one. It's taped at like all sides. Oh my god. Cool. Okay. Oh god, you have to build the whole thing. It's got stickers for the sides and everything. Cute. Okay. Yeah, if you wanna build this.
I'll build it.
Okay. I don't know what this was. This was a lot of things. Hopefully you guys like these. I like these. I bought these. Obviously I like these, but like I probably won't do a lot of these types of videos. This is pretty much the only one. But I had fun. I hope you had fun. I'll see you guys in the next video, presumably the art supplies video. If not,
because you bought art supplies in
Japan. I did buy art supplies in Japan just to see, because like it's cheaper. So we'll see what that was in the next video. I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Oh god, the battery's dying on this one. Oh, that